Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're finding the secret data pipeline behind almost any website.
We're talking about its API. That's the pipeline that feeds the site all of its data.
So how do we find it? Well, the map to this treasure is hidden right in your browser.
First, go to a website, right-click anywhere, and hit Inspect. Then, find the Network tab.
Now with that Network tab open, just refresh the page, you'll see a whole lot of stuff pop up.
Okay, here's the key. Look for a little filter that says Fetch/XHR. You gotta click that.
So what's that? It's just how a site fetches new data after the main page has loaded. This cleans up all the junk and leaves you with just the pure data calls, the good stuff.
Now you got to do a little detective work. Scan the list for a file name that looks right.
Once you find one that seems promising, just give it a click to see what's inside.
You're looking for one thing in here, the request URL. That's the prize we've been after.
Yeah, it's a super long link, but this is the exact API endpoint you've been looking for.
You found it. This URL is the key. It's your direct line to the website's data.
So let's try it. Copy that whole URL and paste it into a brand new browser tab.
And boom, there it is, all the raw, structured data straight from the source.
This simple trick works on tons of websites. So now that you have the key, what will you unlock?